Hey there, Matt. We are in West Hartford on I-84 westbound here. Really not a lot of traffic out here. There's plenty of snow, though, covering the highways, and we've seen a lot of snow plows out here trying to get the roads clear, but there's still certainly a nice layer of powder down on these roads. People have to take it slow. I'll give you a look outside here. We've got some snow clearing crews just passing us here on the highway. We're going pretty slow. I know it looks like we might be going a little bit fast, but no, we're going only about 30 miles per hour here. Some of these snow removal company trucks are going a little bit faster, and there's certainly some deep ruts out here on the highways that can make driving difficult. So as always, people are advised to stay home if they can and to not be out on the roads. And if you are going to be out on the roads, take it slow, take it carefully, plenty of following room as well, and really taking it easy on the turns as well. Some of these ruts are very deep on the highways, especially on some of the side roads too. They just haven't been cleared. I've been out driving around for much of the afternoon, and it kind of varies. You know, some of the main roads in Hartford are clear, but some of the side roads aren't. And I think one big point too is that hills and bridges may not be all the way clear and can be very difficult to get up as well. We saw a lot of cars and even some like pickup trucks struggling to get up some hills and bridges earlier. So try to find alternate routes if you can avoid taking hills or bridges on the side roads. But yeah, out here on the highway, some very deep ruts. We know that we've seen some plows on the other lanes as well, so trying to get the snow removed, but it is coming down quite hard, and it seems like anything that the plows remove, it just piles back up in about a half an hour again. So I'll send it back over to you, Matt.